What up, Tube? I'm coming back at you with a brand new video on how to spot clickbait. I'm sure, just like the rest of you, everybody wants to get 1,000 subscribers to become a YouTube partner, and on top of that, you want to get even more, like millions and millions and millions. So, one of the things that a lot of people do, they'll know how to get more subscribers. They'll go to videos and watch people's videos on how to do it, and so on and so forth. I wanted to show you this guy. Where was I? Well, see if I can go back forward. All right, so this guy, straight up clickbait. Okay, he's selling it, and I mean he's selling the hell out of it. Of course, what's he want to do? He's right now he's asking you to sub to his channel. He wants you to notify. Then he wants you to click like on a video. Then he even tries to trick you, okay? Because that way if you comment, he'll pick it. Okay, first of all, here's your first inclination that this is clickbait. How to get 1,000,000 subscribers in minutes, right there. Ooh, boy, looks enticing. Okay, if it's that easy, then why is he only at 37,000? Let's see. Okay, so anyway, he goes on to show you on how to do, and he gives the guy a shout out of the day like he did there at the beginning. So he uses this guy as an example, okay? I'm going to save you the blabber jabber and all this stuff, okay? So basically, he goes to that guy's channel and he decides to show you how to do it. Now, for sake of doing this, I will show you, well, here, I'll just show you. Okay? Okay, so what he's doing is he's going over here and he's going to take his subscriber right there and he's going to take it up to, I don't know, like 1.4 billion or something. 1.2, sorry. Now, I understand I am showing this guy, but hopefully you're not clicking on his video for clickbait. I'm just using this as an example. I understand you're watching him, but you're technically not clicking on his video. All right, so yeah, look, wow, he's got 1.2 million. All right, so notice he didn't do anything right there. He just went to the next page, okay? All right, now let me show you what's up with this. I'm going to pause him, okay? I'm going to open up a new window. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to open my page up. Now, I'm just like everybody else. I've only got 160-some subscribers, which I appreciate every one of you guys. Don't get me wrong. But I get tired of searching for ways to get my videos out there. I've done online organically. I started a month ago with 80-something. I've got 165. I do organically by making videos and sharing them to, whatever platform. Like, let's say I do my gambling videos. I go to Facebook groups and I look for gambling videos and I put it there. Or if I do, I did one yesterday on Trailer Park Boys, so I went to that group and I share it on YouTube. On Twitter, on Facebook, on Tumblr, all that stuff. But like I said, that's I do it organically. I just want to show you what this guy did right here, okay? So let's take this and let's highlight the 165 like he said. And we're going to go ahead and inspect it. That's what you do. And you see my 165 right there, okay? Let's make that comma 235 over and all right, so that's 1.2 million, let's say, okay? And I'm gonna exit out of here. Holy cow, I've got 1.2 million subscribers. Are you kidding me? I'm famous. Oh my gosh, I could have 300 million. Oh my gosh, Logan Paul, look out, here I come. Wow. Okay. It doesn't do that, people. Okay. It doesn't do it. Watch. Oh, look at that. Right back to 165. So, here's what I want to expose. So he goes all the way down there and he does this stuff. Okay, now look. He waits till the very end. I'm going to turn this up. Oh! Now it's a prank. You notice he did all that, never once mentioned it. So he never once mentioned that this was a prank. He never once mentioned all that stuff. It is straight up as this guy, right? Let's give that a like. Clickbait. Absolute clickbait. Okay? Look at that. How many comments? He's got that many likes on it. I just, like I said, the first thing is if you see anybody that says they can get that in minutes and they don't have that number, I'll shoot. Accidentally subscribe. Okay, if you have anybody that has that, come on, man. You know, it's like, gee, that's the first thing I noticed. I just wanted to watch it anyway because I wanted to see what kind of clickbait the guy was using so I can make a tutorial on it. Because it drives me nuts because you people are out there trying to really make good videos and get real subscribers. So, you know, it just ticks me off people do that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's a funny little prank. You could bring your friend in, but what with it? It's like a scratch off lottery ticket. Don't get you anything, you know, the fake ones. So it's I don't get it. And the problem is I mean, everybody subbed. Oh my god, da 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 da. I mean, look how many subs he got off his clickbait. So I mean, yeah, good for him for doing that. But as far as getting the subs. But I'd rather get mine the honest way than this crap here. So I just wanted to show you guys that because to me it's just not worth it. I'm still looking, you know, I get on here as you can see how to get more subscribers. I'm looking for ways that other people do, you know, the same thing. So I get on here and I search the same way. For some reason mine's not working. There we go. You know, I go through all this stuff. You know, like this guy right here ticks me off. Um, he made a video. I'm going to become a millionaire. Of course, people look that stuff up. That's clickbait. I mean, there's so much clickbait on there. It's not even funny. So I just wanted to show you guys that because I just can't stand to have people doing it. You know, it's like you know when I do stuff. Whenever I take a video, like my latest is Trailer Park Boys. I love them. Like I said. So what I did was I took that video and then I would just go do stuff like this, and then I would type in Trailer Park Boys, uh, yeah, Trailer Park Boys, just straight up, and then I look for pages, you know, and anything I could post on there, or any groups I could become part of, post on there, and you know, a lot of people, you know, liked my video, or liked my video right there in the comments and stuff. That I mean, do it organically. Quit trying to get clickbait, dude. I can't handle that stuff. I don't understand what the clickbait is. Wow, that kid's pounding that dude. Anyway, that's kind of funny. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. This is not clickbait. I don't care if you subscribe. I mean, if you do, that's fine. I totally did this out of the fact that I'm tired of people using clickbait. I just think the organic way or any other way you can do it honestly is better than tricking people into subbing to your videos like that guy did. So, hope you guys reach your goals. I'm glad everybody out there is YouTubing and watching everybody's videos. And hopefully, this helped you guys out and you guys won't succumb to the clickbait that's out there. So, thanks for watching. I'm not even going to end with my normal stuff, so I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. See ya.